Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself Gopal Malani from your class, and today I am going to explain the topic tree and binary tree concept and terminology. Tree. Tree is a data structure better understood visualizing it in the shape of a tree, having a root, branches, sub-branches and leaves. However, if you draw the tree data structure, you have the tree upside down, with the root at top, branching out and having leaves at the sides and bottom of the tree. A tree will have one and only one root and node. If you consider a tree has n nodes, it would have n1 edges. Every node has one parent node except the root node. Tree is a simple and more useful data structure in which the average running time of most of the operations is O log n. Here you can see a structure of a tree. Use of tree data structure. The tree data structures is used to implement the file system of computer system, for example like Windows Explorer or Windows OS, file manager on Android mobile phones, file software on some Linux operating systems. To evaluate simple or complex mathematical expression, this tree is a special tree called the expression tree. Supports searching operations in O log n average time. Binary tree and ternary tree support search operations. It consists of finite set of elements called nodes and a finite set of directed line called branches or edges. Binary tree. Definition of a binary tree. A binary tree is a finite set of nodes which is either empty or consists of a root, and two disjoint binary tree are called as the left subtree and the right subtree. A structure containing node with more than one self-reference field. A binary tree is made up of nodes where each node contains a left reference and a right reference and a data element. The topmost node is called the root. Any node can have at most two branches, that is, there is no node with degree greater than 2. For binary tree, we distinguish between the subtree on the left and on the right, whereas for the tree, the order of subtree was irrelevant. Also, a binary tree may have 0 nodes. Here you can see a structure of complete binary tree. There are some operations which binary tree can perform, such as search, insertion, find min, find max and deletion. Here is an example of a operation. Find max operation returns the position of the largest element in the tree. To perform this, start the root and go right as long as there is a right child. The stopping end is the element. A small program of the example find max operation is given below. Here you can see a tree structure, and further we are going to see the terminology of a tree. Terminology. In this slide you can see the terms related to a tree. Conclusion. In this project, we understood what are tree and binary tree, structure of a tree and binary tree, what are the operations that a binary tree can perform, and we also got to know about one example and what is the terminology of a tree. Hereby, I conclude my project. Thank you, ma'am.